Hello, in this lecture presented by www.free-academy.com, we're going to be practicing the derivative power rule. And this is just one of many problems that we're going to be doing on this lecture, so these are too easy for you. Feel free to come back for some more complicated ones. We're going to start off with problem 1, and we're looking for y prime. And of course, our power rule in these situations is that's not going to be enough room. The derivative with respect to x of x to the n is equal to nx to the n minus 1. We just box that off in the corner here. And we're going to be using this formula to solve every single one of these problems. Now, whenever we need to find the derivative power rule, we only need two things. We need n, and we need n minus 1. N, of course, is the exponents. So n equals 7. N minus 1, of course, equals 6. So now that we have this, we have y, the derivative of y, not writing this right. Okay, so y prime is going to equal 4 times the derivative with respect to x of x to the 7th. The 4 stays on the outside, and whenever we have d by dx to the n, we use our power rule. So we write n times x to the n minus 1. And this equals 28x to the 6th. We'll be doing the exact same process to find the derivative in problem 2. In this case, the exponent is 12, so n equals 12. N minus 1 equals 11. The 3 comes to the outside, so y prime equals 3 times n x to the n minus 1, which equals 36x to the 11th. Moving forward, we need to find the derivative of pi to the 3rd. Now you're going to be tempted to say n equals 3, n minus 1 equals 2, so the derivative is equal to 3 pi squared. But this is incorrect. Reason being, pi is a constant, and the derivative of a constant is always equal to 0. So y prime equals 0. They just threw that one in there to catch you off guard. Going on to problem 4, we have y equals 1/2 times x to the 4th plus 7. Let's not work with this. That's just fine. So we're going to get y prime is equal to 1/2 times the derivative with respect to x of x to the 4th plus 7. Now you'll recall that if you have two functions, f and g, that you can distribute your derivative through. So this is equal to 1/2 the derivative with respect to x of x to the 4th plus the derivative with respect to x of 7. 7 is, of course, a constant, so this is equal to 0. So you're going to have 1/2 times the derivative of x to the 4th. So we find that n is equal to 4, n minus 1 is equal to 3. So y prime is equal to 1/2, which is 1/2 up front, multiplied by n x to the n minus 1. Y prime, in this case, equals 2x to the 3rd once we distribute everything through. So those are our first 4 problems on the derivative power rule. We're going to keep on doing them, so check back.